here. My backpack's going to get my fault. Oh no! Please go down back.
Welcome to Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe and enjoy the content. We got a real petty patty here. Comes on this porch and steals a plant of all things.
There's nothing. Hey, put my plant down. Why are you gonna take my plant?
This guy pulls up in this SUV and steals a package. Don't forget your other options.
Oh! Hey! Just took a package off the porch.
Where?
Off the Campbell Road. Hello?
Looks like we got another 2 a.m. perv. Can't really hear him that well, but he's saying some strange things.
I'm not expecting no 10-foot digs. Oh, shit. Oh, well, I was gonna have some fun.
Be careful approaching these porch pirates. This guy tries to get his package back, and unfortunately, it goes wrong.
Oh no!
The kid poked him in the arm over a package. We got a dishonest delivery man pretending to make drop-offs. This is a shot from the hurricane in Florida. These guys decided to take advantage of a house that's undergoing fumigation.
what's up with this? Why are you gonna have me out here talking like this? Why are you just gonna wait until some other rude person just like, just tell me to go somewhere or stop talking? Go to the park. You're gonna tell me to go to the park or what? I know this is how guys, this is nature or whatever, you know, but, okay, so I've been wondering for a long time, why don't you want to have sex with me, and then, why don't you tell me, you know, okay, so how many years am I going to wait, okay? Can I know? Can you guys, somebody at my clinic, tell me how many years it's going to be from here?
Don't forget to keep those doors locked. As the holiday seasons approach, these people are just going to go harder and harder.
Oh.
Been having a lot of door checkers lately. Make sure you keep those doors locked. People are trying to get in.
So there's a lock there that says Yale, the door is locked. I'm going to back up because there might be a crazy person.
Put my shit back.